Hi, my name is Joel. I'm one of the directors for Holiday Inn London Gatwick Worth. We are a 4-star hotel near Gatwick with 158 bedrooms and a large conference facility. We have just completed a major refurb where we've added 40 new family bedrooms, and we now have our new reception, bar and terrace with the outdoor kitchen. We've also upgraded our conference facilities. Our banqueting room, for example, they sits around 260 to 350 depending on your seating plan. In all our 158 bedrooms, we've partnered with Airwave to upgrade our TVs. You'll now be able to cast from your phone and watch your programs on Netflix, YouTube, BBC iPlayer in a large 43-inch TV. The whole process from sales to installation has been a breeze. Both the technical team, the sales team has been fantastic in supporting and understanding our needs and what we wanted to achieve for our guests.